Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our nickname in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to change our nickname. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply hover over the profile button at the top right. That is right next to deposit. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys have to do is shift right over to settings. Click on it. And guys, that is it. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, you can change your nickname and avatar, change your notification settings and everything. But right now, all I'm gonna do is simply change my avatar. Right here next to nickname and avatar, you will see the edit button right here. Click on it. Do note, because I had already changed my avatar, I cannot change it right now. Likewise, simply enter your nickname right here at the bottom text box, and once everything's okay, simply click on save. And guys, that is it. That's how we change your nickname in Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.